In Islam, a true Muslim is one who sincerely and wholeheartedly submits to the will of Allah and follows the teachings of the Quran and the Hadith, sayings and actions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Being a true Muslim entails adhering to the 5 pillars of Islam and embodying the qualities and virtues exemplified by the Prophet Muhammad. 1. Belief in the oneness of Allah. The foundation of Islam lies in the belief in the oneness of Allah. The Quran emphasizes this aspect in several verses, such as Surah Al-Baqarah 2:21-22, which states, "O mankind, worship your Lord, who created you and those before you, that you may become righteous. He who made for you from the green tree, fire, and then from it you ignite." 2. Prayer. Salah. Performing the 5 daily prayers is a fundamental practice in Islam. Allah says in the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah 2:43, "And establish prayer and give zakah, and bow with those who bow, in worship and obedience." 3. Giving zakat. Zakat, or almsgiving, is an obligation upon financially capable Muslims. It is mentioned in the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah 2:177, "It is not righteousness that you turn your faces towards east or west, but the righteousness is to believe in Allah and the last day, and the angels, and the book, and the prophets, and to give of your wealth out of love for him, to their relatives, and the orphans, and the needy, and the wayfarer, and those who ask, and to set slaves free." 4. Fasting during Ramadan. Psalm. Muslims fast from dawn to sunset during the holy month of Ramadan as an act of worship and self-discipline. The Quran states, Surah Al-Baqarah 2:183, "O you who have believed, decreed upon you is fasting as it was decreed upon those before you that you may become righteous." 5. Pilgrimage to Mecca. Hajj. Performing the Hajj pilgrimage at least once in a lifetime is obligatory for Muslims who are physically and financially able. The Quran says, Surah Al-Imran 3:97, "And, due to Allah from the people is a pilgrimage to the house, for whoever is able to find thereto a way, but whoever disbelieves, then indeed, Allah is free from need of the worlds." In addition to the 5 pillars, a true Muslim upholds the moral values and teachings found in the Quran and Hadith. The Quran encourages compassion, justice, kindness, honesty, and patience. Surah Al-Ma'idah 5-8 instructs, "O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm for Allah, witnesses in justice, and do not let the hatred of a people prevent you from being just. Be just, that is nearer to righteousness." In the Hadith, the Prophet Muhammad said, "The strong is not the one who overcomes the people by his strength, but the strong is the one who controls himself while in anger." Sahih al-Bukhari. This teaches Muslims to control their emotions and respond to challenging situations with patience and forbearance. Furthermore, a true Muslim is compassionate towards others, as the Prophet Muhammad said, "He who does not show mercy to others, Allah will not show mercy to him." Sahih al-Bukhari. Humility is also a significant characteristic of a true Muslim. The Prophet Muhammad said, "He who has in his heart the weight of a mustard seed of pride shall not enter paradise." Sahih Muslim. This hadith emphasizes the importance of remaining humble and avoiding arrogance. In conclusion, a true Muslim is the one who sincerely believes in the oneness of Allah and follows the teachings of Islam as prescribed in the Quran and Hadith. It entails adhering to the 5 pillars of Islam, embodying moral virtues, and practicing compassion, humility, and patience in daily life. Striving to be a true Muslim is an ongoing journey of self-improvement and spiritual growth.